Adding tags to a YouTube video each time you upload is one way to do it, but how about doing it more efficiently? Let me show you some tools on YouTube where you can save yourself a lot of time. Adding a tag as a default to every video that you upload going forward is simple by just going to YouTube Studio, go down to Settings, and you'll get this window I'm looking at right now. Any tag or tags that you type in here, any description you type in here, etc., all you need to do is click Save, and it's done for every video you ever upload going forward. And of course, you can change it anytime you want. You can also make additions or subtractions to your tags on every single video that you've uploaded, in our case thousands, by doing a single bulk action, which I'll show you next. Let's say we want people to be able to find our channel by simply typing in Live Free, the name of our channel. Well, unless that tag is in there, perhaps it's not as easy for them to find. So we want to add Live Free as a tag on every single video. We can do that by clicking the checkbox at the top. It will automatically select all of the videos on this page, but we can also select all, many thousands of them, by clicking on the words Select All, and now every single video has been selected. So do be extra careful that what you're changing is actually what you want to change, because it's going to happen across the board. Now we go to Edit, and there are many bulk actions you can take here. You can choose from any of these for a one-time deal. We're going to Tags. So for on the tags of every single video going forward, we can select Adding, and I'll just type the words Live Free, hit Enter. Okay. When I click Update Videos, it will add that tag to all of our videos. However, you can also remove the tag later from every single video by simply toggling your choices here. Okay, so we could replace them all with a different tag. We could remove this specific tag. Be sure and keep a record of what tags you have placed on there, especially if it's a bulk action, so that you'll know exactly how to later choose Remove with the correct spelling or phraseology that you used. So wherever you're making your record of tags that are being the default on every video, you will not be able to highlight all of these and simply paste them on your tag field. It will read it all as one sentence, which is not how tags work. You will need to highlight, copy, paste each line separately, which is simple enough, but here we are ready to place in the last one. Okay, so we have several tags now that we're placing as a bulk action onto every single video, and we're going to click Update. Down at the bottom we'll see a confirmation when everything has successfully updated with these tags. Click Update, and it gives you one last chance to make sure that you really do want to do this bulk action, which we do. Update videos. Okay, this is going to take some time because there's so many. You can see it's working on it, and down at the bottom soon we'll receive a notification that's going to tell us how many videos have received these new tags. We have thousands, as I said, so you can check out some of those thousands of videos, but in the tags they're all going to have searchable phrases now, like Live Free channel, Live Free YouTube channel, and ways people might be checking for trying to find our YouTube channel. So there it says 2,400 out of 2,500 some videos were updated with that information. The others probably were not, because maybe there were duplicates or something like that, which we could look up, but we can tell that that action was completed, and it took much less time than if we went into each video to individually do that. All right, so we're going to go in and check now. Let's deselect everything by clicking the checkbox at the top, and we'll simply go in and check. This is how to make a hand crank flashlight. Here's our details page, and at the bottom now we can see that all of those tags were added. So now every video, from flying drones in a windy snowstorm to painting rocks, and all of the thousands of videos on our channel were all updated in just a couple minutes. Saves a lot of time.